Hello, you wonderful people, and welcome to a crafty, artsy project that I have made for Halloween. What it is, you have already seen in the preview. It's a little lantern made of several layers of vellum, and here you can see me cutting the vellum to the width of 3 inches with a cutting machine. And now you can see me decorate the vellum pieces and draw some trees and leafy patterns. Now you can see me make some slits into the vellum where all pieces are laid together, so I can stack it or put it together to create the little lantern. What I use to light it up is a little electrical or candle or LED candle, so it doesn't burn the vellum, because it's not fireproof. So please don't use real candles with it. In the end, you can see how the little lantern looks when lit up in a room with lights on and also lights off in the very end. I wish you a happy Halloween and have a great day. Bye!